When you buy insurance, you need to know exactly what is covered. Let us break down how a named perils policy works. In insurance terms, a peril is simply a specific event that causes damage, like fire, theft, or a burst pipe. Unlike open peril policies that cover everything except exclusions, named perils only cover what is written in the contract. Policies usually list these common threats. If a disaster happens that is not on this list, you may be responsible for the cost. The main difference is the burden of proof. Named perils requires you to show the cause was on the list. Because named perils policies offer narrower coverage, they are often less expensive than open peril or all-risk policies. The declarations page is your most important document. Never assume coverage exists unless you see it in writing. Check your policy today to see what you are protected against. Thanks for watching and stay informed.